This week I am comparing the Mazda BT-50 XT base model and the Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain top spec model. Now, although we can't do a direct comparison because they're not the same spec models, we can definitely compare them for cabin practicality. Let's find out how good they are as baby drives. Both utes have two isofix and they both use the woven top tether anchorage system, which is a little bit tricky to use. They can both fit two child seats in the back and I can just about fit in between them. They're both the same for cabin space. For legroom, with a rear facing child seat on the passenger side, we can fit a 182cm plus passenger in the front seat. However, on the driver's side, with a rear facing child seat behind, we could only fit a 170cm passenger in the driver's seat. However, with forward facing on that side, then a 182cm plus driver can fit. Both utes now come packed full of drive assist safety features, the kind of list you'd expect to find in a family SUV. They also both have 8 airbags, which is fantastic. They have one that comes up the middle here between the two front seats so that the heads don't hit together in the case of an accident. Both utes now have rear aircon vents across all models, which are great for keeping our little rear passengers cool. Both utes have the same size tray and can fit around 30 shopping bags. Both utes are really nice to drive. They've got a nice tight turning circle which makes them easy to park, and visibility is very good out the front, sides and the rear. Both utes now come with a really nice and simple and more modern media system. They both have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all models and digital radio too. Also, both have adjustable steering wheels that are fully adjustable now, in and out as well as up and down. The new BT-50 has been developed alongside the new D-Max, so there are a lot of similarities. Where the two utes do differ slightly is in cabin storage, where the D-Max does slightly have the upper hand, which does matter to families. It's got a dashboard storage box and, my favourite, the dashboard cup holders. Whereas you can have heated seats in the front of the top spec model of the BT-50, you can't in the D-Max. The cheapest model of the D-Max comes with rubber floors throughout, which are great for easily cleaning off kids' spills and sand and things, whereas the BT-50 cheapest model comes with carpet throughout. To sum up, both utes are the same in terms of child seat installation, rear air vents, media system and safety features. The D-Max has more cabin storage, including those great dashboard cup holders, but I like the carefree feeling to the way the Mazda BT-50 drives. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.